warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning and peace be upon us all, honorable lecturers and respected audience. First of all, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the lecturers for giving me the opportunity to present my research today. My name is Jihan Clarista. Today I will present my research entitled Analysis of Factors Causing the High Unemployment Rate of Vocational High School Graduates in the Industry 4.0 era during the period of 2020 to 2024. Vocational high school, commonly known in Indonesia as SMK, are educational institutions designed to equip students with practical skills and competencies that are expected to meet the needs of industry. Ideally, graduates from vocational school should be more prepared to enter the labor market because they receive technical and vocational training during their education. However, the reality in Indonesia shows a different situation. According to national employment data, vocational high school graduates continue to record the highest unemployment rate compared with graduates from other educational levels. This issue has become increasingly important in the Industry 4.0 era, where rapid technological development, automation, digitalization, and artificial intelligence are changing the skill required in the workplace. Therefore, this study examines how the number of vocational high school graduates, the number of vocational high school, economic growth, and the regional minimum wage influence unemployment among vocational high school graduates in Indonesia. Okay, I will now present the main result of the study. The study employs a quantitative approach using time series data covering the period from 2020 to 2024. The data used in this study are secondary data obtained from the Central Statistic Agency and other official government sources. The dependent variable is the unemployment rate among vocational high school graduates. Meanwhile, the independent variable consists of the number of vocational high school graduates, the number of vocational high school, economic growth, and the regional minimum wage. To analyze the relationship between these variables, multiple linear regression analysis was applied. Before discussing the regression result, it is important to understand the general trend of data during the study period. The unemployment rate among vocational high school graduates show a gradual decline, decreasing from 13.55% in 2020 to 8.11% in 2024. This decline indicates that labor market conditions for vocational graduates have improved over time. However, despite this improvement, the unemployment rate remains relatively high compared with other educational groups. During the same period, the number of vocational high school graduates increased from approximately 1,420,000 graduates to around 1,790,000 graduates. This trend reflects the growing participation of students in vocational education and the increasing number of graduates entering the labor market every year. This increase demonstrates the government's effort to expand access of vocational education and improve workforce preparation. In addition, Indonesia's economic experienced a significant recovery following the COVID-19 pandemic. Economic growth returned to a positive trend of business activities, investment, and production gradually improved. At the same time, the regional minimum wage continued to increase each year as part of efforts to improve workers' welfare and purchasing power. After examining the general trend of data, let us now discuss the regression result. Okay, first, result shows that the number of vocational high school graduates has a positive and significant effect on unemployment. This finding suggests that an increase in the number of graduates is associated with a higher unemployment rate. One possible explanation is that the growth in the number of graduates is not always accompanied by sufficient growth employment opportunities. As more graduates enter the labor market, competition for available jobs become more intense. The second research indicates that the number of vocational high school has a negative and significant effect on unemployment. This means that an increase in the number of vocational high school tends to reduce unemployment among graduates. A larger number of schools can improve access to vocational education and provide students with more opportunity to develop relevant skills. In addition, the expansion of vocational schools might encourage improvement in educational facilities, learning quality, and industry partnership, all of which can enhance graduate employability. The third result reveals that economic growth has the strongest negative influence on unemployment. This finding is consistent with economic theory, which suggests that economic expansion creates more employment opportunities. When businesses increase production and investment, they require additional workers. As a result, vocational high school graduates have a greater chance of being absorbed into the labor market. This explains why economic growth emerges as the most influential factor in reducing unemployment among vocational graduates. The fourth research shows that the regional minimum wage has a negative and significant effect on unemployment. Although highest wages are sometimes assumed to reduce labor demand, the finding of this study suggests other ways. In the Indonesian context, increases in the regional minimum wage often occur alongside improvement in economic performance and labor productivity. Higher wages may also make formal employment more attractive to job seekers and encourage greater participation in the labor market. Another important finding is the coefficient or determination, or R-squared value, which is equal to 0.938. This means that 93.8% of the variation in employment among vocational high school graduates can be explained by the variable included in this study. Only 6.2% is influenced by other factors that are not included in the model. This result indicates that the model has a very strong ability to explain the factor affecting unemployment among vocational high school graduates. This result indicates that the model has a very strong ability to explain the factor affecting unemployment among vocational high school graduates. Overall, the result demonstrates that unemployment among vocational high school graduates is influenced not only by educational factors but also on broader economic conditions. Overall, the result demonstrates that unemployment among vocational high school graduates is influenced not only by educational factors but also by broader economic conditions. Therefore, efforts to reduce unemployment require cooperation between educational institutions, industry, and government. That concludes the presentation of my research finding. Thank you very much for your attention. I would be pleased to receive any question, comments, or suggestion regarding this study. Please feel free to share your thoughts or any questions. Okay, next, the conclusion. Based on the result of this study, it can be concluded that all variables examined have a significant influence on unemployment among vocational high school graduates in Indonesia. The number of graduates has a positive effect on unemployment, indicating that labor supply continues to grow faster than employment opportunities. In contrast, the number of vocational high school, economic growth, and regional minimum wage have negative effect on unemployment. Among these variables, economic growth has the strongest impact because it directly contributes to job creation and labor absorption. This finding emphasizes the importance of improving the quality of vocational education, strengthening collaboration between schools and industry, and supporting sustainable economic growth. In addition, educational policies should continue to adapt to technological development and changing labor market demand in the Industry 4.0 era. By doing so, vocational high school graduates will be better prepared to compete in an increasingly dynamic and technological-driven labor market. And finally, I would like to express my sincere gratitude to the lecturer and everyone who contributed to and support this study. I hope this research can provide valuable insight and serve as a useful reference for future efforts to improve vocational education and reduce unemployment among vocational high school graduates in Indonesia. Thank you for your attention. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.